So guys, I've put it together roughly here to show you what it should look like in theory. Now, I spent a lot of time because I messed up with these a little bit and I had to kind of fix them, and then I messed up down here, so I fixed all that rubbish. Anyway, long and short of it is that this is what it's going to be looking like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to drill the holes now up here so that we can see where it's supposed to be. But before I do that, I'm going to have to put the piston in and check the size here, how far it should go in and out like that. So I'll be doing all that off camera, making sure that the pistons go around, etc, etc, and then drill the holes finally there. Obviously, I don't want to go right through, to be honest with you guys. I want to bring at least one out this way here. So drill a hole halfway, bring it out here, so you can put the air in that way, as it were, and then it will go around. But we'll see how it goes. So guys, I've silver soldered, which I'm surprised I was able to do it, but there you go. That's my silver soldering there, and cleaned it up. So this will go in there now. The next step is to put this on there, put them inside there, as you can see, and this will be going in this one here like this. So it'll go like this. This will go like this, and that will go like that. So that's basically what's going to happen. So the reason I didn't drill these holes in the first place, because I know I'm not very precise with this here, both of them to be exactly the same. So now I've got to mark where the hole goes there and drill them holes with this in there, with that lining up. I'm going to do it off camera, guys, because I've done this so many times on my videos, so there's no point in me doing it again and again. But that will go there like that, as marking it out. And then I'm thinking, what's happening here, if this comes out, okay, so if this comes out, this is coming out like there, I think I might get away with that. But I don't want it to come out too much, because I've left the piston so long. It should be all right. And if I'm concerned, then I will move these up a little bit there, so that the piston doesn't come out too much. So that's the idea, guys. You can see there. It's a bit dark here. So I've done a lot of things off camera. I'm speaking a bit loud because compressor's a lot of noisy there. I've done loads of things off camera. What I've done here is I drilled a hole through there, and I made holes through that way and through this way, because I didn't want to bring it right out to the back there. I'm hoping that I'll connect that one to that one there. I haven't done anything on this side whatsoever at the moment, and this is just a rough put together there, just to check if it works. This pin might need to extend, I'm not sure yet, but I'm just going to test it now and see if it works good. Let's have a look. So if it works this side, then we know what to do on this side. I'm happy with that. Woo! Woo! My throat's gone.